Hey YouTube, working on the Gravely 59Li. Back to it today. It's February 10th. It's a little chilly outside, but I have the heater going and it's a little sunny. So today I'll be working on getting the axle extensions on as much as I can for a little bit of time, an hour I can spend. Some cork gaskets that I'm going to put in between the old axles and the extensions. And then I have some half-inch 20 bolts that I'm going to be putting on each axle. I had older ones, but they were kind of really chewed up. So I said, you know what? Let me just put some new ones on. I'll do it right. Do it nice. So let me set the camera up and we'll start getting to it. All right, let's get this thing on. Bolts are definitely a little bit long, but oh well, not a big deal.
Definitely too long, but oh. These on? Really good. Not worried about rusting, except for stainless. That's some pain in the ass. Which one's that shit? Just tighten those up and then we'll be good to go.
All right, got it all bolted up. Should be good. I'll trim off the some of the extra cork gasket later. Not a big deal. But basically just wire brushed up the axle extension. So the first thing I do is I gotta insert it, and then I gotta go in, and then the planetary gear for the tranny, I gotta rotate that and get that on the spindle. So I gotta insert it here and then go in. Why does it feel like it's not sitting? There it is. Okay. Alright, it's in there. I just gotta get it in. Actually, hold on. What I might do is just so I can, maybe I'll come back to the other side and just put this on lightly. Alright, so I got the axle extension on. It went on fine. I had to actually knock out the race a little bit, so I went from the opposite side. When I was tapping this in, or cranking this in, it actually compressed the race too far. I didn't have shims on it, so this wasn't turning at all. Now it turns fine. There's no play in it. So I had to actually go on the other side and tap with a brass punch, just tap the axle a little bit just until the point it turns, and then I placed this cup back on, this cover with the axle seal cover back on, and then figured out which shims go on, and then the shims are, I don't know if you can see it, the shims are in. It's cranked down, it turns no problem, no play, so we're in business. So let me, now I gotta do the other one. Got the second one on. Went on easier than the first, which is nice. Should be all set. I could spin it so everything's, means it's lined up well. It's tight. There's no very little play. Very little play. So which is good. Everything's set up. So now to put on the maybe put on the pinion gears. that will go inside the gear reduction wheels. Can't think right now. So, all right, making progress.